what is driving us right now, right? Is it TRPs? Is it the fake news, the fake photos? What is real, what is not? I totally support what Richa is doing, and she's जब वक्त अच्छा होगा तो मैं ना बहुत बहुत बातें करूंगा उनके बारे में. It's a huge transformation because it's a total army role and it's a prestige show. मैं जब मुझे मिलता तो मैं दुनिया इधर से उधर कर देता उसके लिए.
Okay, Death on the Nile is releasing. Okay, so looking forward to that. Death on the Nile.
Yeah, it got delayed to Christmas, which is even better for us because it's a worldwide release and in a lot of countries. मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत अहम फिल्म है क्योंकि एक तो आगाथा क्रिस्टी है. आगाथा क्रिस्टी के साथ मेरा मतलब बचपन से ताल्लुक रहा है. मेरी वालदा उनको बहुत शौक था. मेरी मदर को सारी किताबें आगाथा क्रिस्टी की पढ़ चुकी थी. तो और मैंने कभी नहीं पढ़ी. मैं लिटरली कमरे में भरी रहती थी उनकी किताबें. पीजी वुडहाउस, अगाथा क्रिस्टी और फलाना, मतलब एंडलेस राइटर्स, लिटरेचर का भंडार है. फर्स्ट बुक मैंने पढ़ी डेथ ऑन द नाइल व्हिच वाज ऑन दिस सेट because Kenneth Branagh gave it to me, and also because I'm excited because it's a I'm not playing an Indian. It's a British role. It's a British character. It's the original film. It was played by George Kennedy, a white man, and it was Uncle Andrew. This time it's Cousin Andrew. So the cast is younger and it's a fun cast. I mean, I'm sure you've seen the diverse cast we have this time. So glad to be part of this franchise.
So I think you can easily pass off as like a European or American. मैं आपका एक इंटरव्यू भी देख रहा था वहाँ पर हॉलीवुड का, तो उसमें आप एक्सेंट में भी बोल रहे थे आप, तो वो सब तो
Oh God, say,
it did not look pretentious. It looked natural. So it is fine, absolutely. Okay, आपने अभी अपनी वालदा के बारे में बात करी. Um, I'm sure that it must have been, I think, a huge loss for you. And I think she's going to be there forever. Um, I believe that you really looked up to her. I've spoken to people who knew her, and they have only great things to say about her.
um, I mean, yeah, she was a big major figure in my life. I don't know, but जब वक्त अच्छा होगा तो मैं ना बहुत बहुत बातें करूंगा उनके बारे में. बहुत चीजें सीखी हैं.
You're also playing the lead in Code Name Johnny Walker.
Yes, yeah,
It's
yeah.
a lead role then. Okay, so maybe maybe the biggest role that you're having, maybe like in a Hollywood film till now.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Abdul
like
and
Victoria and Abdul. Yeah, that was the
mm,
biggest. This is, of course, also
mm,
again, it's a biopic and it's based on this man and his life. So I'm playing the man uh, who is nicknamed Johnny Walker, and
mm,
या तो उस पे थोड़ी सी, अब उस पे ज़्यादा इसलिए चर्चा नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी पूरी टीम लॉक नहीं है. आई थिंक नेक्स्ट ईयर एट सम पॉइंट वील स्टार्ट वंस आई फिनिश. आई थिंक 2-3 कमिटमेंट्स इंडिया में है. ये एक
mm,
दफ़ा पहले भी न्यूज़ में मैं आई थिंक आ चुका है या शायद, आई डोंट रिमेंबर. But the writer is very good. Alan Venkus is the writer. He wrote Straight Outta Compton. I remember I saw your this thing also. When the news came out and so you tweeted. I'm looking forward. Let's see. It's a huge transformation because it's a total army role, and it's going to be a war film. So,
right.
yeah, war.
Apparently, you were also offered um, to be there on Broadway, but you couldn't do it for some reason.
नहीं, ये बिना पता नहीं क्या दो चीजें किसी ने बोली थी अभी इंटरव्यू में कि मैंने होमलैंड रिजेक्ट कर दिया बिकॉज ऑफ
Mm,
सम डेट्स इन इंडिया. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ था. दे आस्क यू फॉर डेट्स बिफोर ऑडिशनिंग. So I had already told them I don't have dates, so I can't even audition. So it's not like they had selected me or anything. Nimrat's the one who got selected. I mean, it's a prestige show. जब मुझे मिलता तो मैं दुनिया इधर से उधर कर देता उसके लिए. Second thing is Broadway is something I was very interested in. I had read a few scripts. I was supposed to do something, but that was not Broadway. Yes, it was on the national stage. I mean, in London, at the national. I don't remember which theater, but it was a big production there, and I couldn't do that because of
mm.
dates.
Do you think it is worth it for a celebrity like you to say what you want to say openly on social media?
You're right. Sometimes I do think, is it now? We're all living worried कि भाई को मुंह से कुछ गलत निकल गया और उसका कुछ और मीनिंग निकल आए और कोई कहीं बैठ के उसको उछाल दे और आप फिर बस भाग रहे हैं अपनी इज्जत बचाते हुए. And here we are trying to just be artists. And we're trying to hopefully create questions and raise questions through our art. मैंने एक छोटी सी एक वो शॉर्ट फिल्म की थी. मैं आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ इट. आई थिंक मैंने कितना काम किया है लाइफ में, बट इट बॉइल डाउन टू द 3 minute piece which आई एम सो मोस्ट प्राउड ऑफ. एंड आशुतोष पाठक ने बनाई थी. एंड इट्स ऑन जो हमारी हमारी हालत है एज अ सोसाइटी कि आज के दिन हम पैंडेमिक में जूझ रहे हैं अभी भी, लेकिन उसकी बातें नहीं हो रही हैं. हमारी इकोनॉमी डाउन है, गुर्बत है, लोगों को जॉब्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं. हम लोग जो कर सकते हैं, जब जब भी कुछ होता है, वी आर ऑलवेज ट्राइंग टू डू आवर लिटिल बेस्ट. मुझसे चर्चा नहीं की जाती कि भाई मैंने ना यहाँ पे इतना डाला, यहाँ उतना डाला. जो भी हो सकता है मैंने अपनी तरफ से किया है. तो अब वो आई डोंट नो, but sometimes you want to speak out for so many things and you can't. And I suppose we'll find a better time for it. I think we're going through that churning as an entire society where we're trying to also figure out what is driving us right now, right? Is it TRPs? Is it the fake news, the fake photos, the fake uh, narratives, or what is real, what is not? For every opinion there's another opinion that is totally opposite, and then you can just spend all your time debating it. Tomorrow
Definitely,
put this
definitely.
out and somebody might have a totally different take on our interview.
Right. Now, Richa has come up with this this entire step of a legal suit, and a lot of people they are appreciating her for taking a step. Um, but there are a lot of actors whose names have been dragged, but they're completely silent. How do you look at this entire phenomenon that actors they tend to be soft targets? Very few, like Richa, for example, they stand up for themselves. A lot of them they don't. They're not able to, maybe just because they're advised in a certain manner. How do you look at this particular situation?
I just see it as, we've just worked hard for our reputations. We've worked hard, we've really really worked, and we're the same people. आज की डेट में मैं किसी को बता रहा था ना कि even during the pandemic ना हमने the word migrant labor कितना मतलब पॉश साउंड करता है ना. ये हम ही तो हैं, ये हम लोग हैं, हमारे वर्कर्स हैं ये लोग. हम भी बाहर से आए, काम करने आए हैं. We are from middle class families, lower middle class families, or maybe even down from all kinds of stratas of society. We've all come to just find work and make money and just eat bread, feed our families. यहाँ कोई ऐसे मतलब वो लड़ने नहीं आया है कि या किसी को कोई नीचे गिराने आया है. So yeah, I think of course each to his own. I totally support what Richa is doing, and she's obviously I'll always champion her. And yeah, I've learned a lot from her. In fact, I think yeah, she leads by example, not just for me, but for a lot of artists. I think, and for upcoming people also. I think as a society we have a lot to learn from a lot of such artists who are able to speak and who are able to articulate in a very, not a rude way, and a very uh, how do I say, helpful manner, I suppose.